Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Abentech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. The new Xming Q6 is a highly disruptive portable projector that combines a premium, speaker-like aesthetic with robust internal cinema technology. Despite its compact and stylish design, the Q6 is packed with advanced features and powerful specifications, positioning it as a top choice for users seeking portability without compromising quality. Key features include native Full HD resolution with 500 CVIA lumens of brightness, making it significantly brighter than many similarly sized projectors. Support for HDR10+, a rare inclusion in this size and price category. FAV picture engine for real-time automatic adjustments of brightness, contrast, and saturation. Comprehensive automatic calibration features, including omnidirectional keystone correction, autofocus, screen alignment, and obstacle avoidance. Wi-Fi 6 connectivity for stable streaming, 32 GB of internal storage, and multiple ports, HDMI 2.0, USB 2.0. Low operational noise, under 26 dB, and energy efficiency, max 90 W. The device also supports the Mi Home smart platform and can be controlled via the Xiao AI voice assistant, enhancing its integration into a smart home environment. The Xming Q6 offers exceptional value, delivering high-end performance and a complete feature set in a highly portable and uniquely designed package. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.